What's going on, traders? Dr. Fella. I want to do a video today, you guys, about the current swing trade that we're in. It's been a while since I did a video, you guys. I am going to make a few videos today, so because I do have a couple hours free, you guys, but I do want to talk about today ticker symbol OPEN. This company is Open Door Technologies. I know you guys, a lot of traders probably heard about this stock, you guys, already. I traded this back, I think it was July, yeah, around July 18th, 19th. Bunch of shares. I only made a couple thousand off of it, a few thousand back then, you guys. I did hear about the Eric Jackson guy here. It popped up on the news that day. But, like, I was just trading. So I was like, let me get out of here. This thing's volatile, you know. But then I watched it, you know, like, once I kind of like how a stock moves, I watch it. So I was watching it for like maybe like a few weeks, and I seen it like break the trend right here. If you see right here, it broke this previous support, resistance, and then came here and tested and became new support. So this is where I got in, you guys. Average is $3.37, and right now the stock's almost doubled so far. It's at $6, I believe, in 65 cents, probably 6.66 over the weekend, something like that. Um, we are up. I am up, I think, around 5,000, 5 grand on this so far. But hopefully the goal on this, you guys, from a technical analysis, before we get into the story real fast, I don't want this video to be too long because I think if I do it too long, it won't upload right. So technical analysis, you guys, this thing was, let's go back a little bit. This thing was selling off. It was like it went IPO'd. I'm gonna go back there now, but this thing a couple months ago was selling off at 50 cents, 56 cents. Spiked back up. Came back and tested that and came back again, but then we started a new trend line. So right now it is in a trend, you guys. My goal on this thing, you guys, is hopefully if it cracks 7 this week and it cracks 8, hopefully we could get to 10, and over 10 I see like almost no resistance to around the $15-16 area. There's a lot of price targets at 82, 150. The good thing about this stock is not a lot of people are like gonna sell. Not a lot of traders are holding for the long run. A lot of traders believe in this company. A lot of traders are part of the open army. So this stock was been trending on StockTwits, Reddit, Twitter, here and there, you guys, the past few weeks, you guys. The Eric Jackson, the hedge fund manager who believes this stock's going to $82. Their whole campaign right now is trying to get that the founder Keith Rabois, I believe his name is, on back to the board, and hopefully he could get back on the board, and hopefully they can name a new CEO. The previous CEO, like from all the pressure, she resigned, you guys. She was dumping shares at 56 cents. Like that's not a good CEO. So what happened? We have like a part-time president, like slash CEO. He just bought 30,000 shares. You know, we a lot of people, like including we. That's why I say we. All of us on Twitter were pressuring him to buy something, like, you know, and so he did. And actually, yesterday, the Open Door Company had their first cash plus sale, which when I looked it up was it's like those, like if you go sell your house to them, they'll give you the money, whatever the offer is, and they'll give you like a part of the profit once they flip the house. So that was really cool. The good thing about this stock is we could receive a new CEO anytime now, any day now, or announcement or a new board. Also, we have rate cuts coming, you guys. Hopefully, in the next couple weeks, we might have hopefully have at least 1 or 2 rate cuts. And I even seen a couple Feds talking about we need up to 4 rate cuts, you know, this year. The next few cuts. So the story behind this thing, a lot of shorts are talking crap. I think this is 25% short interest on this. So with any little news, it could squeeze high, you guys. I like the stock. I like the stock. Why? Because I like the technicals. And then I was looking for a good swing trade on this, you guys. And when I bought here, I bought because of the technicals and because it like held the trend line. Then when I dug deep, I seen there was like a lot of people like in this. And yesterday, I believe Anthony Pompiano, if you guys know who that is, he bought more shares. Nick whatever that guy name is, Steve Nash, Nick Nash. I can't remember his name. He's like a big time entrepreneur. He bought 50,000 shares. We got Paul Tudor Jones who bought this, and you guys see like above this. Let me take you back a little bit. You guys see like we have like with patience, if this stock goes, we have a gap to fill around the 15, 16, $17 area. So a lot of people are calling this $82 by Christmas. Hopefully I'm gonna trail this up and hopefully get to target. Hopefully we don't get problems around $10 and try to come back down. Hopefully it shoots right through 10. New CEO, rate cuts. And there's like a new business model, you know, the iBuying. A lot of people didn't like, so right now they're trying to do other stuff in their pipelines. They're working on a bunch of stuff. You guys do your own due diligence on this. I don't want this video to be too long, but this is the trade so far. I'm gonna go ahead and make another couple videos that I promised people from like last month, and it's been wild, you guys. I've had a couple like good things happen in the business and a couple bad things happen that I'm working on. So I've been really busy. So I got a couple hours today. I'm gonna. That's why I've been swinging lately, you guys. No time to day trade. So yeah, I'm gonna do those videos, you guys. Any comments on open? What do you guys think? I know there's a lot of people with price targets. I even heard up to 500 from Eric Jackson, maybe from 5 years from now. There's people saying 82, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I even heard 2,000 on Twitter when like the real estate is a big market, you guys. 22 trillion dollar market, and then maybe 60, 70 or 80% of them are tied to a mortgage. So it's a huge market, and their whole thing is they're trying to be the Uber of real estate. So call it a meme stock, call it a cold stock, call it what you want. There's a lot of people who believe in this stock and put their money behind it. And I like from talking to a lot of people, like a lot of people are not gonna sell like until it's like past like really high. Let's just say that. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment. Any questions? Leave a comment. Smash that like, you guys, and always remember: plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.